Lent is a time to reflect and to grow closer to Jesus and God. This is what Catholics do during Lent. Prayer is a time to reflect and to get closer to God, to be one with God and to be a follower of God. One way for you to reflect is create your own prayer corner in your house. Prayer is a great thing to do during Lent.
Lent is also a time of almsgiving. In almsgiving, it is a form of prayer because it is giving to God. Almsgiving is also to the less fortunate. In Lent, we also fast. Fasting is giving up as Jesus did, but he made a big sacrifice for us. So we are giving up
something that is hard for us, such as on Friday, we give up meat.
But most of all, Lent is a preparation to love and reflect as we wait for Jesus' resurrection.
The ultimate goal is for Catholics to grow closer to God.